A brawl is surely brewing. And begin! Good day for a swell battle. Now go! Good day for a swell battle. Now go! This match will get red hot. You're up! Here's a real high-class bout. And begin! This match will get red hot. You're up!
Here comes a spooky bunch.
And begin!
The ghouls are out tonight.
Now go!
You skipping? Listen to me! Damn it! Please! Please stop skipping! It's annoying! I'm destroying my throat so you can have a good laugh or something, I don't know! And you're skipping? Come on, man! Come on!
Listen, pal. It's me, Sans. Just stop. You know what I mean? I know you're streaming or you're probably recording it for some site about you, or some pipes or something. I don't know. Just stop recording it, please. Just stop playing. I cannot do this anymore, fam. You know this gameplay is like, it's like his name. It's just sadness. Hello, I am Sans. Hey, hello, pal. You know, just stop playing the game. Like, seriously, we cannot do this anymore. It's just so dumb, and let's just stop, please. I know you're recording it. I know there's people watching. Just please stop. We cannot do this anymore. It's not funny anymore. I know you're gonna have a bad time, I guess. It's not even funny. It's not even funny. I can tell you a joke, but I'm just sad. I'm not like the character, you know. Sadness. With a D. It's very funny, yeah, right? Just stop playing the game. Just, you know. Uninstall the mod. Wanna go back with my friends with Papyrus.
Sans, where the hell are you?
Yeah, there it is. Just stop playing. Just, please.
One, two, three.